Venatio Premium Spray Mop with washable and reusable microfiber pad and refillable sprayer. The mop is perfect for hardwood, laminate, vinyl, and ceramic tile floors. Ideal for the pet owner. Easy to assemble, this durable mop comes with solid aluminium poles and a scraper to remove dirt from the pad easily. The versatile microfiber pad effectively cleans with just water. The mop is easy to operate with an ergonomically designed lightweight body, so cleaning is no longer a chore. Simply fill the bottle with water and 2 teaspoons of your favorite cleaning solution and you're ready to mop. The large mop head can rotate 360 degrees, making it easy to clean even narrow floor spaces. It picks up 50% more dirt and dust per swipe than traditional mops. It is perfect for wet and dry use and comes with 2 mop pads, which you can wash in your washing machine up to 100 washes. You will discover that this affordable spray mop does a brilliant job.